Hey everyone, I'm Michael Rosbrick, and on Wednesday, November 10th, click on the link below to register. I'm doing a very special webinar that I only do once a year. And this is for CPAs, enrolled agents, and tax preparers who do at least 50 returns a season. I'm going to show you how to make more money in 2022 than you did this past tax season. Actually, I'm committed to showing you how to do that for the upcoming tax season. Something that your clients want, something that your clients will gladly pay for it. And this is without doing any marketing, without increasing your tax prep fees, without needing even one new client. Just from your existing client base, I'm going to show you how to make more money for all the work you're doing for free. You know, being on hold with the IRS, responding to CP 2000s, responding to notices after your clients file their return, being on hold with the IRS, fielding all their questions with regard to the tax law changes and the advanced child tax credit payments and the stimulus check payments. This is going to come to an end where you're doing work for free. So get registered. I guarantee you will make more money in 2022 than you did this last tax season just by attending. And that's Wednesday, November 10th. Can't wait to see you there.